Hey everyone, I wanted to include another example about when you're solving multi-step equations that involve a fraction. So if you have a situation that looks like this, where you could be using the distributive property, but the number that you would distribute is a fraction, and it would make all the numbers inside your parentheses really messy, there is another way to solve it, and that would be the second way to solve these problems, which would be to get rid of this number first. Well, in order to get rid of that number, I need to divide both sides by 5/6. But to divide fractions, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal. So when I multiply both sides by the reciprocal, you'll notice on the left-hand side here, the right-hand side, you've got that number in front going away and leaving you just with 4 minus 2y. And on the right-hand side, you can cross-cancel a little bit, because the 10's over 1, the 5 is going to go to 1, and the 10's going to go to 2, so 6 times 2 is going to give you 12. And then you've got a two-step equation that you can solve, so I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides, and I'm going to get negative 2y equals 8, and then all I have to do to close it out is divide both sides by negative 2, and I'm going to get y is equal to negative 4. And that's going to be my answer. So what I would recommend, if you have a distributive property and the number in front right here is just a plain old constant number, 1, 2, negative 8, whatever it may be, I would recommend doing the distributive property first. But if the number in front of your parentheses is a fraction, and you don't have any extra terms after it in this space, I would just multiply both sides by the reciprocal. It makes your calculations a little bit easier. All right, just a little tidbit of info for you.